Good day, Lanka. We had a school project where we had to find a solution for the world's use of fossil fuel. We had to choose a way to make alternative energy to the whole world. We have chosen the wind energy because it's one of the most developed ways of alternative energy today compared to solar and hydro energy.
The type of windmill that they use is called Enercon, and it's producing 6 megawatt. To reach the total amount of energy that we're using in the whole world, we need to have over 2.5 million windmills.
To transport all the energy in an easy way, we transform the energy from the windmills into hydrogen pills. But when we transform the energy, we lose about 40%. So we need more mills than we first assumed. The new number of mills is 4.2 million, and way higher than the first.
The park is going to be placed in the Atlantic Ocean, right underneath Greenland. The park is going to fill around 2.3 million square kilometers. The reason the park is placed there is because it's right in the prevailing Western ice.
The windmill consists of a tower as a solid planted on a base. The base is normally made out of concrete. On the top of the tower there is a mill head. The mill head consists of a generator and a gearbox. In front of the mill head there is a rotor. The rotor normally consists of 3 blades. The blades is concealed to a hub. When the wind blows, the rotor spins and pulls the generator. The electricity from here goes through a transformer station, and afterwards the electricity can be used. Between the tower and the head there is a bearing. The bearing is securing that the head can turn around the tower.
We thought a lot about where we should place the park, but we agreed that in the Atlantic Ocean, in the prevailing Western ice belt, would be a good place because of the wind. We choose to use the Enercon 6 megawatt mill because it's a very powerful mill compared to the other that is available on the market. To transport the energy, we wanted to use hydrogen pills because it don't lose any energy when we transport it. Unfortunately, we lose some energy when we transform it into hydrogen pills, about 40%. We called Risøværftet to hear about hydrogen pills, and they also told us that we will have some energy lost.
You can't touch this. 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 You can't touch this.